Every now and then some of us may need a personal loan. Running out of cash can happen at any time, and that is when a personal advance can come in handy. Personal loans are also known as signature or unsecured advances. This kind of finance can help when there is a need for money and you won't have to go through a long process or put up your home or car for collateral. Personal loans online can be a convenient way to get this type of financial assistance. Additionally, personal advance loans can be a good way to get cash that you need right away. They are made for any purpose and do not have to explain as to the reason for needing them in order to get the financing. To be clear, the primary types of personal loans that exist are secured, protected, personal loans and unsecured, not protected, personal loans. An individual loan that is safeguarded by collateral that was put up as surety is secured. In other words, it requires backup by some kind of financial asset like a person's boat or even someone's wedding ring. If there is no repayment, a repossession will be made on the boat or ring or whatever item was used as the guarantee. Check out online personal loans. They are convenient and the process is quick and easy. A loan, by an individual, that is never protected or backed up by anything is not secure, except by the signature of the person who wants the loan. In most cases, this kind of advance for a person is based on their credit worthiness. In addition, with an advance such as that is not secured, there is a higher interest rate, and that is because of the additional risks associated with it. There are several benefits that come with a personal loan. 1. Easier to qualify for, and 2. The process to getting a loan is not as long. It is important to note that there are two main benefits with a loan for person or individual: having a fixed monthly payment and a fixed loan term. Because the interest rate never changes, a person's monthly payment stays the same. Most importantly, a fixed payment gives a person a feeling of stability, especially when it comes to their monthly budget. The fixed loan term is yet another benefit that comes with this type of advanced financing. Having a fixed loan term can help a person deal with their overall financial concerns. This can lower a person's stress and give them a more confident feeling that they can pull themselves out of their financial dilemma. Personal loans with bad credit: there are options for people to apply for even if they have bad credit. Financial lenders are aware of the many reasons people have fallen into that crevice of a low rating in the credit bureau: loss of jobs, identity theft, the primary paycheck in the family might stop, or starting a new job that causes a late payment to be sent in weeks after the due date. There is nothing like the feeling of security with money in the bank, especially for an emergency. Don't listen to the rumor mill. Clients are approved every day for personal types of loans for bad credit. To apply for a personal loan takes a few minutes to fill out an application. The lender must know what type of income is being received by the client. It can be Social Security, disability checks, alimony, or a financial settlement. There are personal loans for bad credit that will fit a client's budget. The financial information is vital for a loan officer to make a determination of how much money they will approve for a personal loan with bad credit. Lenders must be certain that the amount of income received is enough to handle the repayments of the loan. Be aware the personal loans for bad credit that are approved might have a high annual percentage rate or April. Some lenders will help the client by extending the length of time to repay the loan. The lender helps the client with due dates that can be met with ease. Read all the information and ask questions so there is a complete understanding about all aspects of the loan. Remember, the lender is there to help the client to secure a personal loan. When the loan is approved, the funds are direct deposited in the client's bank account or a check is sent out through snail mail. The bonus is when payments are made on time and the loan is repaid, the lender informs the credit bureau and that boosts the client's credit score. The lender knows the client's history and will offer the client the opportunity to apply for another loan.